Yo, what's good YouTube? It's the kid YJ in this bit, man, and today we're coming at y'all with a different kind of video. You feel me? I'm coming at y'all with a different video. I always tell y'all boys, you know what I'm saying, how to shop, where to shop, you know what I'm saying, how to look for pieces and whatnot. But today I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. You feel me? How I actually go and shop for myself, bro. You know what I'm saying? Now I ain't gonna lie, today I'm not buying nothing. I may buy something in another video, but we gonna go to the store. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I do. If I were to buy an outfit, this is exactly how I do it. POV, y'all can see how I do it. So if y'all don't know how to do it, y'all don't know how to break down y'all outfits and all that stuff, I'm finna do it step by step, POV, for you to see. So with that being said, make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. We finna run this video up. Fit, I'm making it easy for y'all. We're making a fit with Air Force Ones. Now I always tell y'all boys, go cop you a pair, because these are the easiest shoes to work with. Now these is crispy straight out the box. I don't know how y'all pair is, but this is gonna be the shoe of choice, and we're gonna have to match a fit with these right here. So with that being said, let's get to it. Now y'all might be asking, why don't you drive with shoes on? And that's because you go motherfucking crease your stuff, you feel me? So you never want to drive with shoes on, especially Air Forces, because these are supposed to look perfect, you feel me? So you never want to drive with shoes on, especially Forces. And also, I just like driving without shoes. It's more comfortable in my opinion. But today we are shopping at TJ Maxx. I went here honestly because we don't have these where I'm at, so something different, something new. We gonna enjoy ourselves and let's get to it. No cap. But look at this scat, y'all. Oh my gosh, that boy tough. I ain't gonna lie, we gotta come scat or cat soon time, bro. I ain't gonna lie, we gotta go Charger soon, bro. That motherfucker is hard. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Now, first things first, usually right now we is rocking the Forces, but if I were to make an outfit, the first thing we gotta do is get the shoes. Now, the only problem is in this store, it's all women's shoes, bruh. I kid you not. I kid you not. You feel me? It's all women's shoes. Not a single row of men's sneakers, bro. Like, what the fudge is this? I don't understand, but we is gonna use the Forces. So luckily for me, it don't matter, but it is what it is. Now, before we go shopping for anything, I ain't gonna lie, I need socks. So I'm finna go pick me up some socks, but just to let y'all boys know, stuff like this, like polo socks, $11. Anything that's polo, Calvin Klein for socks, shirts, what else they got? Drawers is all cheaper at TJ Maxx, Ross, and Marshalls. So with that being said, if y'all like stuff like this is 6 pairs of polo socks for $11. These are Walmart prices for brand name stuff. So if you into that, come to these places. I'm putting you on. If you go to Polo right now, these is $30, but over here, $10, bro, or is it $11? So get the steals while you can. But first things first, while shopping for an outfit, I go for the bottoms up, you feel me? So first thing we're gonna do is look for shorts, because I don't want to wear pants. Right now we're in Atlanta, it's hot. You do not want to wear pants out here. So we're gonna look for some shorts, and I'm gonna show y'all what we find. Now how I shop is literally, this is just like a thrift store. You have to go through every single thing until you find something you like. I'm gonna find my options, I'm gonna show y'all, and then we gonna figure out what we finna wear, bruh. So let's get into it. Now, while shopping for shorts, one thing that y'all boys may or may not know, here, where's your mirror, bro? I gotta show y'all. Hold on. If y'all can see, I like my shorts short. I like my shorts above the knee. If you like that, go a size down. If y'all want short shorts like mine, you go a size up. So I'm usually a large. So for the shorts, I go medium. Just putting y'all boys down. And after some time looking, this is what we came up with. We got this red one right here. This orange one right here.
Good afternoon, shoppers. How would you like to save 10% off?
Wow.
And 5% cash back.
And then we got this little black and gray one right here. Let me put y'all boys on game. Sometimes these little shorts right here, the swim shorts, be having fire ones. But I know some of y'all be like, they have that mesh netting in it. This stuff you can just cut out. It's hella easy. These used to be my freaking swim shorts. You can cut this netting out and wear them as regular shorts, because they be having fire designs, but that mesh stuff be annoying. So if y'all boys mess with these two,
Just cut out that little netting part and rock them as regular shorts. Nobody would ever know for real. But now that we got these 3 shorts, we gotta find some kind of tees to pair them with. So all I do is, again, just like the shorts, go through everything. We're gonna find something that look good that can match with the shorts, and then we got a whole fit. So let's get to it. Now this piece don't go with nothing that I got, but this bit hard. I ain't never seen no bright graphic tee like this before. Now we found our 3 tees. Now let's go to the dressing room and see how these pieces be fitting. I bet. So for the first fit, we got this leopard print t-shirt. First off, this change room is hard. But this motherfucker hard though. First one, it's like this leopard tee right here, and it cost, it ain't got no tag on it, so I don't know how much it cost, but if I were to guess, I think it was around 15. And then we gonna match it with these shorts right here. Now this is low-key of a reach, but we gonna see how it fits, bro. We gonna see how it looks. All right, so this is outfit number 1. Let me know how y'all feel about it, bruh. A little bit hard, I ain't gonna lie. I give this a cool 8 out of 10. Now these shorts are actually a small. These were a small, not a medium. I don't know, can you give me the size tag, please? Can I get the size tag? It is a medium. It used to be $70? What the fudge? But now it's $16.99. So this fit, I'd say, is about probably 16. I'd say the shirt probably 20. So I think the fit around $35, $40 fit right here. Not too bad, not too shabby. This is outfit number 1. Outfit number 2, we go Nike tee, you know what I'm saying, with the, I forgot what kind of football, what kind of baseball tee? Atlanta Braves? I think this is Atlanta Braves. Yeah, the Atlanta Braves, you feel me? $14.99 for the tee. And then for the bottom, we go red, you know what I'm saying, shorts right here. So this, what the second fit gonna look like, no cap. And this right here, outfit number 2, you know what I'm saying, the top. Let me see, the top cost, y'all see that, 15. Pants cost 10. So this is a $25 fit, you feel me? No longer do you guys gotta go to the thrift stores to buy a $20 fit. They got it right here, you know what I'm saying? It'd be hard, I ain't gonna lie. Nike on the sleeve, you feel me? This is clean, I ain't gonna lie. I mess with this one. So this right here, outfit number 2. But for outfit number 3, we go Nirvana tee, you know what I'm saying? And then we go right here with these little shorts, you know what I'm saying? The little marble shorts. It low-key match the gray. Again, all fits are kind of a reach because the oranges really don't match. The reds really don't match. And the grays really don't match. But on body, it look a little better. But for this, so this is outfit number 2. So this right here, outfit number 2. And this is gonna be outfit number 3. Let me know what y'all think. Now this right here, outfit number 3, what messes it up is that I took a medium. This is a medium, not a large. It messes it up in my opinion, but it is what it is, you feel me? But Nirvana tee, they bid only $12. And then on the shorts is 16. These Under Armour, you feel me? They all comfy, all the clothes comfy. I mean, it look good, you feel me? And it work. I ain't gonna lie, it do work. It is a clean one. So y'all boys let me know down in the comment section which one better, but we have third fit and those were the second and first one. So let me know what y'all think. I ain't gonna lie, this fit costs 12 and 16 is, let me do my math, 28, you feel me? So this one was 28. This one was 25 and this one was about 35. So that's not a bad deal, you know what I'm saying? You go to the mall, one t-shirt about $70. So for me, that's a good deal. I ain't gonna lie. But with that being said, this is how I shop, bro. You know what I'm saying? 3 fits. Let me know which one y'all like down in the comment section below. I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the whip ski. You hear me?
With that being said, man, oh man, like I said, this is the longest I ever took to record a video. Now usually, and that was because, bruh, usually I go to Target and Walmart and those stores are huge. TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, those stores are small, right? So I had to wait every damn 10 seconds, for people to clear the aisle so I can record all that stuff. But oh man, I ain't gonna lie, TJ Maxx has some good fits. I definitely recommend y'all boys go inside and definitely, you know what I'm saying, do your due diligence, mess around with the store, find some pieces, because $25 fits, you can't beat that, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's why I recommend these stores instead of going to the mall. The mall and buying online, you go on Fashion Nova or Shein, you can find some stuff, but you go to the mall, you know what I'm saying, you go to some of these clothing brands, you paying $100 for a hoodie, $100 for pants, and to me, I ain't gonna lie, even in my position right now, I would still do not pay those prices, bro. I still don't. I still would rather go to TJ Maxx. You know what I'm saying? Buy me a little fit for $25, $35. That's really all you need. But with that being said, man, let me know which fit y'all boys like down below in the comment section. Y'all boys like fit number 1, 2, or 3, bruh. Let me know down below in the comment section. With that being said, though, let me know how you feel about the video. This is how I shop, you feel me? This is how I do it, bro. Real, authentic, you know what I'm saying? This is how I do it. So with that being said, let me know down in the comment section how y'all boys feel about that. Y'all boys going, I don't know if y'all noticed or not, but I don't have my camera quality. I'm recording all off the phone, and that is because my laptop, bro. My laptop cannot edit 4K footage, bro. Even though this is 4K footage, technically, because it's from my phone, 4K footage from my camera, the files are just too big, bro. So I can't edit them on my computer because it just, my computer, it makes, I can edit it, but my computer, the fans start going crazy. My laptop gets hot as hell. What takes an hour to edit ends up taking like 3 hours because my computer is just super slow. And I don't have these problems at home because I have my computer, you know what I'm saying? If y'all watch the vlogs, I bought a new computer, so I appreciate y'all for real for that. But the laptop, yeah, the laptop, it's crying, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's a MacBook Air 2019, that bit crying. I don't know if I told y'all, but when I bought that laptop, I bought it not knowing I would even start YouTube. I bought it with not even the idea of doing YouTube. And now, years later, that bit crying, I ain't gonna lie. So with that being said, the quality is gonna drop a little bit. The image quality, not too much, because this is still technically 4K. But the the audio isn't as good as I want it to be, just because I can't use the mic because it's connected to my camera. You can't connect a mic to a phone. Well, that being said, man, I don't know. A lot of other YouTubers use phones, but for me, I don't know. I'm a perfectionist, man. I'm a perfectionist. I can't lie. I love high quality, you know what I'm saying, good edits. But one thing with the camera, it's like, I feel like it's more one-to-one. I feel like I'm just FaceTiming you, feel me? So let me know down in the comment section, how do y'all mess with the quality? Is the quality good? Or let me know down in the comment section. With that being said, outfit 1, 2, or 3. Let me know down below which one was your favorite. With that being said, though, I love y'all boys. I appreciate y'all boys. I'm gonna catch you in the next video. And peace. Face out.